the first thing that I see on the app focuses on three very important things to be a good investor. Save more. So the unit accumulation, the unit top-up is doing that. Discipline of SIP and categorization of equity funds, hybrid funds, so that it allows investors to look for a choice. So these are my first few observations, and all the best.
Super investor. Very nice. Covers all the bases. I like the UI too. Fantastic. I love it. Very nice.
When I actually navigate, I know that the ease and the presentation of information, and I think it has the right things. It has the right things which anybody will actually look for, and also what one should prompt when an investor actually comes on site. So I think it's fabulous, So I have huge expectations. I know it's going to be very successful. My best wishes.
All the holding, everything comes at. I like the pace, I must tell you, and it's extremely not too much of knowledge or too much of data, just the relevant data. Yes, lightning fast. I agree. It is well done. I will look forward to the launch.
That's very good. You can go to any of the product, any of the fund house very, very quickly, very smoothly. That's nice. Congratulations. This is so good. Very, very smooth and very fast. All the best.